Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Walmart Marketplace seller account, full guide step by step clearly. To register for a Walmart Marketplace seller account, begin by visiting the Walmart Marketplace website. Look for the Sell on Walmart button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page that explains the benefits of selling on Walmart Marketplace. Scroll down and click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you'll need to create an account by entering your email address. Choose a strong password for your new account. After entering your credentials, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Walmart Marketplace. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Walmart Marketplace sign-in page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. You will be prompted to provide additional information about your business. Fill in your business name, address, and contact details accurately. Next, provide your tax identification number, or EIN, if applicable. Walmart may request details about the products you intend to sell. Be prepared to describe your product categories and any relevant brands. You will then need to input your banking information for sales payouts. This includes your account number and routing number for direct deposits. Walmart Marketplace may also ask for documents to verify your business. Prepare to upload your business license, tax certificate, or other necessary documents. Once all information is filled out and documents uploaded, review your application carefully. Submit your application for approval by clicking the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation message regarding your application status. Walmart will review your information and notify you of approval via email. This process may take a few days, so be patient during the approval phase. Upon approval, log back into your account on the Walmart Marketplace website. You can now set up your seller profile to begin listing your products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.